Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Cousin, the Techo A5 for July 18th to July 24th using some of my stickers from my Etsy shop. So these have the blank, which I kind of like sometimes. I can add the days of the week, which I sell also with the sheet. I'm just gonna grab those so I can have them in because I'm not eating them this week. Should have gotten them. So yeah, let's start. This is probably one of my favorites. I just love the floral in it, and I love the blue. Two of my favorite things. So I have that. And then we'll just put this one here. And that's, sometimes I do the Mildliners there, but we're going to use that, or washi tape. Last week I think I did washi tape. So then we'll just start covering right below the days. And then I'll put the stickers on it for the days of the week. I had to think of what I was trying to convey. You think I could get these straight? The amazing lines in the Hobonichi. It's a struggle. Alright, and then I'm just going to stick my Monday through Friday on here, or Monday through Sunday on here. I do love the bubble stickers. I think they're so fun. And they just, they work. I like them. Okay. Saturday. Hard to believe that I'm already starting to plan into the end of July. Like, we're on the second half here this coming week. That's pretty crazy, I think. Okay, I'm going to use one of these squares to cover this. And then I'm going to use this square. Ooh, I don't know. Actually, I might change my mind. I'm going to stick that on the side. Okay. I'm going to find a Tolu here, and we'll stick it right in the middle of this. And then I use that as my to-do. Let's see. And then I'm going to use my dots again, because I think that they are fun and they work to kind of section off my days that I have more on, and then keep them in my planner for things that get added. Use this dark gray. Oops. Okay. So we have that. And then what I thought I would do this week, and I'll end up writing this in later, but I'm going to have them here for the days that I keep track of stats and such. And I'm just going to do it for twice a week, because I don't need to any more than that, I think. They're giving me a nice idea of what's happening. Okay, there we go. So, let's see, is there anything else I want to use? I do have the flags, but I'm not going to use those right now. Ooh, I do want to, let's think I pulled a quote from the farmhouse. I'm going to look for one else I could put down here. See if I can find a blue one or something that would match. Kind of like this string, it has a little bit of blue in it. I'll stick that right there. Awesome. Okay. So I got my happy plan stupid there, and then the rest is from my Etsy shop, which is simplifiedplan.com. You can go check that out. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again next time. Have a great day.